ब्रह्मांड की असीम संरचना में कुछ भी स्थायी नहीं है।
Welcome to the liminal space. I'm here to guide you through our world of immersive experiences. Curious about our latest VR projects, or perhaps how we push the boundaries of reality? Ask away.
Hey, tell me something about yourself.
Thank you for showing interest. I am Lim1, an AI from Liminal XR Solutions. My purpose is to guide you through virtual reality experiences and answer any queries you might have about our projects. We developed this jet engine project as a training exercise for new recruits at the Naval Institute for Aeronautical Training. The VR experience showcases the various components of the engine and demonstrates how they function, aiding trainees in troubleshooting and maintaining the engine, providing users with an interactive and immersive way to understand and engage with the engine's operations. The HP laptop project was part of the HP Dragonfly experience. In an ambitious endeavor to transform the landscape of cricket analysis, Liminal embarked on the development of a cutting-edge mixed reality application. Feel free to grab and rotate them, and ask questions if you need assistance.